Hello there everyone, hey ho, let's tow and all that lot. This is following on from our recent troubles we've had with sort of intermittent faults with the car electrics or the tow bar electrics. So I've got up, oh there's the car cutting off. I've got up first thing in the morning on a Saturday and I'm taking the car into a tow bar fitters, the people that give our second opinion on our tow bar. I was going to get an auto electrician in to check it over, but when I rang the tow bar people, I said, you know, just bring it in and we'll give it a check over to make sure there's nothing funny going on. So I've had to venture into the wild lands of Lincolnshire, not exactly local to us, but localish, and I'm just taking it to the tow bar guys and see how they get on and see what happens. They might let me film in there, they might not, but I'll see how it goes.
Flashing green, it'll go red. If it goes red, it's a faulty box.
Suspense is killing me. There you go.
Faulty box.
Faulty relay box. Yeah. Right then, I've just finished at the tow bar place. They checked it all, took it all apart, checked all the bits and bobs, ran various tests on it, and it seems that we've got a faulty relay box in the back there. So it's under warranty because it's less than a year old. So I just need to get the details of the original guy that fitted it and the tow bar details and the invoice and what have you, and it can get sorted under warranty. Fingers crossed. So hopefully that's the end of that. We shall see. But thanks for watching. And hopefully that's the end of this saga. We'll let you know, and don't forget to like, subscribe and everything, and hey ho, let's tow. Bye.